Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Riz and welcome to the YouTube guide. Today's video is going to be awesome. In today's awesome video, I'm going to show you how you can make awesome and dope videos using nothing but your iPhone. Alright, so before we dive into the video, let me show you how good these videos will actually look if you follow the steps, if you follow this video using your iPhone. So let's watch that. Let me know in the comment section below how good the video actually was. By the way, if you're in the comment section below, don't forget to subscribe, okay? A lot of great content coming soon. Alright, so this is a two-part video. So this is part 1, and I want you to subscribe for the part 2, so that way you'll know how to edit these videos, how to color grade these videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record and make sure you have smooth, awesome, dope footage from your iPhone. Alright, first up is going to be the iPhone. It doesn't matter what iPhone you use, it really does not matter even if you're using iPhone 4 or iPhone 1 or something, it really doesn't matter. I've used older iPhones and trust me, the video quality from these iPhones is just unbelievably good. So that's why I'm saying you don't have to worry about what iPhone you use, what iPhone I'm using, what iPhone you're using, don't worry about it. This video will work for everyone with any kind of iPhone. Now let's dive in. Alright, a couple of things before we start. iPhones always have stabilization, autofocus, and the videos are HD always, okay? Alright, so the first thing you want to do on your iPhone is to go to the iPhone settings and go to your camera settings, okay? You're going to be thanking me for this. Trust me on this. Go to the camera settings and go to your formats, okay? Set the format to most compatible. That way, you don't have to convert the files every time you transfer them to your computer. Also, if you want to transfer video files from your iPhone to your computer, I'll be linking that video up here, okay? So be sure to check it out. Alright, so there are two different settings we're going to be talking about in this video. First up is going to be for the B-rolls. The video I just showed you is a complete B-roll. That means you need smooth, slow motion, creamy footage to make it look like that, okay? So for the B-rolls, we're going to be going into the slow-mo settings, okay? Don't worry about it if you don't have a bigger FPS or a better slow-mo. Don't worry about it. Set the slow-mo settings to 60 or 120 frames per second if available, okay? You can go into the settings, do that, or go to your slow-mo tab inside the camera and you can switch it from there as well, because the new update actually lets you change the settings inside the camera. So be sure to set the slow-mo to 60 or 120 if available, okay? So don't worry about the quality, just set it to 60 or 120 if available, okay? As I said before, this works for all the iPhones, and just move the camera, be creative with it, and make something with slow motion that will look like something like this. Second is going to be videos like this. If you want to use your iPhone for videos like this, that means you don't really need to have slow motion or, you know, more FPS. All you need is quality, so it looks like this. I mean, this looks pretty good, right? I think so. Alright, so for the talking head videos, we're going to be going into the record video settings, not the slow motion, the record video settings, okay? So head into the record video settings and set the quality to at max, and make sure you are at 30 FPS or maybe 24 if available, okay? I don't think iPhones have 24 FPS, apologize. So set the FPS to 24 or 30 if available for that natural look, okay? And I want you to use the 2.5x telephoto lens for that creamy background blur. And this is what you get. And that's just that's Leo, by the way, and it's saying please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. Yeah, be sure to subscribe, okay? And I hope you enjoy the video. Well, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the video. By the way, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe, okay? I'm telling you, a lot of great content coming soon, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.